Good evening, everyone. And yes, I think I'm very, very excited to be here today. I think these opportunities come once in a lifetime, in an actor's life, in an actor's career, where you actually get to see yourself or some work that you've done on this level and at this scale. Yes, I think when Baji Rao's look was unveiled, I think we stayed true to what the film was and unveiled it in a lot of, what do you say, grandeur and elan and all the big words that one can use from the dictionary. I think it was all of that and much more. And I think it's that event again and that poster again was very, very true to what Baji Rao was. So it's not just about the size of the poster itself, but I think the feeling, the emotion, and the way that the event went off and the way it was conducted, I think is true to what the film is. And so we're here today to now unveil Mastani's another look.
Beautiful. आज इससे पहले ये look reveal हो, मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ 18वीं सदी की ये कहानी, जहाँ मस्तानी का नाम मस्तानी कैसे पड़ा, क्योंकि 5 साल की उम्र में वो इतनी हो चुकी थी एक प्रेयर में कि वो ऐसे मस्त होके मग्न होके डांस कर रही थी कि उनके पिताजी ने उनसे कहा, काकूजू हु यू कॉल वेरी स्वीटली एंड फॉन्डली इन द फिल्म, उन्होंने उनसे कहा कि इतनी मस्त होके नाचोगी तो मस्तानी लोग तुम्हें कहेंगे. पर आप हर चीज़ में मस्तानी बन गई, हर चीज़ में आप निपुण थी, whether it was archery, sorry, sword fighting, or whether it was your dance. Tell us a bit about that. मतलब इतनी सारी चीज़ों में आप सर्वगुण संपन्न थी उस ज़माने में when we're trying to be multitaskers these days.
Yes, I think in a lot of ways she embodies what today's Indian woman is. Someone who multitasked. She's someone who excelled in everything that she did. She was not just an amazing woman, she was not just an amazing warrior, but she was also an amazing lover, a nurturer, a mother, an amazing daughter. And even on the battlefield itself, she was the only woman who could sort of keep up with all the other men. She was the only woman amongst all these men when she went to fight. And in fact, there was one iconic war, which you'll see in the movie as well, where Baji Rao and Mastani go together to war.
Wow.
So yes, and I think what also makes today very, very special is the fact that as we speak, Sanjay Leela Bhansali is on the last shot of the movie. So while they are there in Film City wrapping up the film, we're here unveiling the poster, and I do feel sort of emotional at this point because I think it's been a fantastic journey for all of us, and I speak, I think, on behalf of Ranveer, I speak on behalf of Priyanka, myself, and everyone else who's been involved with the film as actors or technically. It's been the most challenging film of our career so far, emotionally draining, physically draining, and so yes, I think right now it is a little bit of an emotional moment for us now that they're actually wrapping up the film over there, and we can't wait to share the experience with you on the 18th of December.
ठीक है, तो एक झलकी तो दिखा ही सकते हैं. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes? Let's do this then. Deepika, there are lots of questions in my mind. मैं quickly आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी. पहले तो almost 12 million followers for you on Twitter. That's fantastic. You know, what I loved is your line in the new recent foundation you've come up with, which is live, love, laugh. और आप कितने positive messages भेजती हैं despite the tough times you've seen. So I love your spirit. I'm borrowing chance and hugging you for the lovely spirit you have. You know, but I want to really ask you कि इस character में इतने shades हैं. It must have actually been like living an entire life of that era, 18th century में वापस जाके वो सब कुछ जीना और वापस आना. तो और क्योंकि संजय लीला भंसाली इतने perfectionist हैं, all of us here क्योंकि हम महाराष्ट्र के एक कोने में रहते हैं मुंबई में, जानना चाहेंगे मस्तानी के इस मस्त कैरेक्टर के बारे में. आपके थ्रू अगर 2-3 पंक्तियों में हिंदी में आप कह सकें तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
आई थिंक सबसे पहले जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, वो सिर्फ एक वॉरियर नहीं थी बट एक नर्चरर भी थी, एक माँ थी, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई थिंक वॉट एवर शी वेंट थ्रू एज अ वुमन for the sake of love, because she was so in love with Baji Rao that she sacrificed a lot of things to be able to be with him. And I think as far as the film is concerned, I think ये सबसे बड़ा advantage है एक actor होने का, कि through the films that you do हमें अलग अलग किरदार निभाने का मौका मिलता है, and especially a film like Mastani, where I think it's been Sanjay sir's dream for the last 15 years to want to make this movie. On one hand, I think I can get to be Piku. On one hand, I can get to be Tara from Tamasha. I can get to be Mastani from Baji Rao and Mastani. I think that's the most amazing part about being an actor. And yes, of course, being an Indian contemporary, someone who belongs to this generation, it's only through the movies that I would have been able to go back in time into this era and into this century and experience what women of that time would have experienced, or experience or live the life that Mastani would have lived.
तो संजय सर के साथ हमेशा ये ग्रैंडियर कैसे आ जाता है, मैजिक हैपेंस, आप उनके और आपके एक मैजिकल लार्जर देन लाइफ रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बताइए।
आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट है, बहुत ज़्यादा हम एक दूसरे को ट्रस्ट करते हैं, एंड आई थिंक एज क्रिएटिव पीपल उन्होंने मुझे बहुत क्या कहूँ, बहुत इनकरेज किया है, और बहुत ज़्यादा ही इज़ गिवन मी अ फ्री हैंड, यू नो, वेदर इट वाज इन रामलीला और वेदर इट्स इन बाजी राव मस्तानी। वो एक बहुत ही कोलैबोरेटिव डायरेक्टर हैं, बहुत इनकरेज करते हैं एक्टर्स को कि हम क्रिएटिवली इन्वॉल्व हो जाएं एक सीन में या इन द फिल्म मेकिंग प्रोसेस, एंड आई थिंक दैट itself gives an actor a lot of confidence from within, and according to him there's nothing that's wrong, on paper there is a particular scene, but when actors come in you can have a completely different interpretation of it, and he'll never question it. He's never going to be like, oh, that's not correct, or no, it has to be this way, or it has to be that way. He's very very collaborative as a director.
दीवानी मस्तानी गाना आपको बार बार हमने सुनाया, but the magic just increases and increases, and almost 10 million views to that as well. और ये भी एक digital launch जो होने जा रहा है Eros Now पे। ये digital space में जो magic होता है, how much do you follow, दीपिका? आपको कितना अच्छा लगता है?
I think it's huge. I think I don't think couple of years ago we probably didn't imagine that digital would have this kind of reach or this kind of impact, but जैसे आज प्रियंका ने भी she unveiled the look of Kashi Bai sitting halfway across the globe, but I think that's the beauty of being online and the digital world, that you can connect with so many people and interact with so many different people, all at the same time.
Deepika, you just said that there is a war sequence in the film. So could you say something about that? Will that be one of the major highlights of the film?
Yeah.
And
I think again physically very very challenging. I think in the way that men are built, I think men find it easier to go to war, whether it's the climate conditions, whether it's how heavy the swords are, or whatever talwar that one is using. I sometimes wonder how she did it. It was physically draining. It was so exhausting. On one hand you're trying to balance being on a horse, and on the other hand you're like trying to kill people. It's very very exhausting. So I don't know how she went to war so many times and did it so, fearlessly, and she was a part of the troop. She was a part of Baji Rao's army. So she was obviously as powerful as or more than the men. आपको क्या लगता है मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ आंखों से? Please give him a mic, यार.
Yeah, definitely. What have you to say about this? Is a beautiful poster, in fact. Like, you know, and your eyes are speaking a lot, in fact.
What does it say?
एक
What
बहुत
does it say?
सिंप्लिसिटी है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल आंख लग रही है और बहुत फोकस लग रही है किसी चीज़ पर एक्चुअली.
Yeah.
आप क्या कहोगी?
ये एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सीक्वेंस है फिल्म के अंदर जहाँ से we've taken this image. Oh God, I'll have to tell you all the story now. But yeah, it is it comes at a point when she faced a lot of opposition from his family, and she goes into this sort of trance zone because she was not allowed to come into the house, and she was treated like an outcast and sent away when she came to meet Bajirao. And can I say? I shouldn't say, na?
No, it's okay. It's
I shouldn't
okay.
say. So yeah, it's basically
There are
yes. If you talk just about the emotion, yes, it is. She was fearless, but at the same time, I mean, she had a lot of strength. She had a lot of power, but at the same time, she was also very vulnerable and very, very fragile. And I think that's what makes Mastani so beautiful in that sense, because she had the strength of a warrior, but the fragility and the beauty of a woman. And I think we've tried to capture that in this image.
Deepika, on your left. Yeah, on your left. Congratulations for the poster launch. My question to you is, right from the first look, from the first teaser of Bajirao Mastani, people have compared this movie with Bahubali. And prior to the release, Bahubali also launched a big grand poster. So don't you think now again people will compare your poster launch, be it Bajirao poster launch or Mastani poster launch, with Bahubali once again? Don't you think?
No, not really. I mean, even if there are comparisons, the films are completely different. I haven't seen Bahubali, so I don't know what that film is about. But I definitely know that that story is very, very different from what Bajirao is. So yes, maybe from an event point of view, yeah, maybe some people might feel like, oh, it's, you know, it's a big poster or it's a big film. I mean, they're also big films. Bahubali was also, if I'm not mistaken, a period film, or you know, in that. Sorry.
Kalpanik.
Yeah, exactly. So I think that in that sense, yes, maybe people will feel like, because of the scale of the film. But of course, when you see the material itself, and of course, most definitely when you watch Bajirao Mastani, you'll know that, you know, it's very, very different.
दीपिका, एक सवाल है कि मस्तानी में और खुद में आप क्या समानता पाती हैं, क्योंकि वो भी जुझारू है और अपने हिसाब से लड़ती है, जितना मुझे समझ में आया। आप भी अपने असल ज़िंदगी में काम के प्रति उतनी सजग रहती हैं। क्या समानता पाती हैं आप खुद में और मस्तानी के बीच में?
Similarities, na? I actually, मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी similarities हैं वैसे. Not just me as Deepika or not just me as an actor, but I think हर एक औरत के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं एक मस्तानी है. ये पहले भी मैंने कहा है. Because हर एक लड़की या हर एक औरत मल्टीटास्क करती ही है, और हर औरत के अंदर ये सब क्वालिटीज़ हैं. Like I mentioned, she's a warrior, she's a nurturer, she's a lover, she's a mother. So I think जो भी qualities मस्तानी में हैं, I think हर एक औरत के अंदर हैं, and I think that not just me, but I think every woman, after watching the film, I think every woman will identify with this character. Yes, the period is different. But if you talk about the soul of her as a woman and what women today are, I think it's exactly the same.